New programmers start programming too strong. They try to copy how long well-established programmers for thinking it will make them job ready quicker. This is actually not the case. These beginners start programming with 4 to 6 hours a day and even hours non-stop. This is bad for two reasons: health and burning yourself out. But the main reason why programmers quit here is they burn themselves out. After a week or two of constant long hours sessions, they see programming as a chore and not like a habit or a hobby that excites you every day in your daily life. A beginner should always start small, perhaps 30 minutes a day, to establish this as a daily hobby. And then when you feel confident, let's say in a week, you can increment to 60 minutes a day and repeat this until it hits like 6 to 8 hours a day, which is basically full time. Just don't do it where you do it for 14 hours a day and your back will thank you. Beginners start to procrastinate and lose fun in coding. Remember, you are coding because you find it genuinely curious about it and you find it fun. When you start procrastinating, then the fun of coding is gone. The solution for this is ties well with tip number one. If you're able to start with 30 minutes a day with pure focus, then increment that to 60 minutes a day after a week. Then you are preventing yourself from procrastinating. Also, eliminate any other distractions. Shut off your phone, or at least just use your phone for music only and nothing else. Also, it's also proven that a tidy environment keeps the brain clear and focused. So take some time to clean your learning space and remove any external sounds if possible. But don't spend too long tidying, otherwise you have truly mastered procrastinating. Have a goal to work towards for beginners. Learning a new skill is difficult as the road is foggy and you just don't know where you are. This is perfectly normal and things like YouTube videos or mentors can direct you to your goal. However, if you have no goal, not only you will have a foggy journey but also an unclear end. This will make beginners question why they are even attempting to code and give up coding. However, you may just be like some other people and not sure which path to follow. Some advice I can give is first try some paths, like try out web development, machine learning, or even data science. Figure out which one excites you the most and go for that one. Do your research on which path is secure and maybe well paying, and definitely don't take months or years deciding, as then you missed out on time and opportunity to learn. You don't get hired for thinking of what path to do, you get hired for being in a path. When you learn a new skill, you would like to see results, but bear in mind with programming languages you won't see the results even after learning the basics. A good example would be Python. With Python at first you can't make things like as websites, AIs or robots without learning the basics or intermediate. So this makes beginners frustrated as they cannot see where they are heading. Imposter syndrome is a big reason as most people quit early. They see people at their stage miles ahead of them, and they seem like they know what they're doing, but in honesty, even everyone is confused, even the experts. Don't feel intimidated by the progress of others. Instead, build confidence so you can reliably build and remember code. Confidence is key, and the only way to get confidence is try to build projects. However, overconfidence can make you seem annoying and an overall unpleasant person. So that was my top 10 ways to prevent yourself from quitting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. If you got any questions down below, comment them down below and I'll make sure to answer them. And thank you for watching.